to be the president.
Shabnam Lone, I'll tell you why it is. This is subterfuging the legal system.
Party, for that matter, say on what basis can a political party decide
my point is, my point is, one minute, may I ask you, ma'am?
No, they can't.
Why is president not deciding?
Yes.
No, one second. That's not the question. Is this is a subterfuge of the legal system, because Shabnam Lone, by that logic, tomorrow any death row convict, after having been convicted for the most heinous of crimes, will say that I will not apply for clemency because, one minute, I don't want that last door stopped. I will start, a political process on the side. And I will turn from death row convict to politician by disguise, which is what Afzal Guru is doing. He's giving interviews all over the place. He knows that he has Kashmir's.
Are you trying to induce? Are you trying to induce?
Legally, she can do it.
I'm saying, aren't political parties fighting on his behalf? Obviously, political parties are fighting on his behalf. He's not fighting on his own.
But why are you forgetting that his wife has submitted the
Why don't you let him fight his own legal case, sir? Why are you fighting it for him?
But his wife has already submitted a person.
Why are you fighting for a man who attacked Parliament?
In the Constitution, and
why are you and Kashmir's political parties fighting on his behalf?
Through his wife.
His wife cannot file.
Counselor.
No. There's a discrepancy here. Sajjay call one. I find this interesting because this is clearly subterfuging our legal system. 1 minute, Sanjay call.
1 minute, please.
Yes, Mr. Ghoni.
Totally. I think basically, we'll be wasting very valuable time on the show with these lessons in, legal propriety. But the point, because your question was fundamental, the question was whether this resolution really is attempting to actually try and subvert, and you use the word, I think, the process and take it to a different corner. But my essential concern is that basically there is no difference in the stands of all the people who are in Kashmir and who are ostensibly having different points of view at this point in time. This is a charade. These are all people who are in agreement. They all know what they're going to do. And to think that Mr. Omar Abdullah was tweeted and deleted. Oh no, that was a trial balloon. And there are other people fighting on behalf of him.
You're charging
and I'm telling you, sir, you have to understand, all the parties in Kashmir are splinters of the original sin. They're all people who know each other. They're all been part of it. This is an insidious campaign all the time. Nothing is as it looks in Kashmir.
This is a charge which has been made. One minute. I'm not making.
This man is guilty. Like everybody. If this man is guilty, then the same treatment should be meted out to him as anybody else.
Mr. Ghoni, I have a right to ask. I'm asking Mr. Ghoni.
They have a right to do it.
I'm asking Mr.
They have a
Ghoni.
right to do it. They
Mr. Ghoni.
don't need your permission to do that.
Mr. Ghoni, I have a right to ask you. This is a curiosity to ask you. Many people want to know, Mr. Ghoni. Please, can you please enlighten us? What is the view of... let me come. What is the view? Not the tweet. Not the deleted tweet. What is the view, the undeleted view of Omar Abdullah on Afzal Guru?
You see, I tell you one thing.
Yes, sir.
If you patiently hear me for a minute. See, the point is, the tweet has come, whether it is deleted or not deleted, you have discussed it. Rashid Saab claims that he had filed a resolution before the tweet. He tries to say that it was he who initiated it. See, we look at the Omar Abdullah's tweet. Mr. Omar Abdullah's tweet is an expression of opinion.
Sir, beyond the tweet, sir, there is life beyond the tweet. Forget the tweet. Forget the tweet. Forget the tweet.
Please.
As of today, 10:40 p.m. 10:40 p.m. on the 26th of September, what is Omar Abdullah's position?
Abdullah has every right.
Yes. Let me tell you one thing very clearly. You see, you are missing one thing. Barnab, you are missing one thing. You see, this is a resolution by a private member. Resolution by a private member. Normally what happens, you know the system of the assemblies and the parliament. Private members' resolution has to be collectively considered by the legislature party of the particular party and make a statement, as PDP already has made a statement that they are going to support this. I told you at the outset that since
I want to know where Omar Abdullah stands.
Please, this is what I am telling you. You don't allow me to speak. See, I am telling you that the party president, Dr. Farooq Abdullah, is out of the country. The assembly is still going to be there. I'm not very sure. Mr. Rashid must be knowing when his resolution they are going to take. But the days are still there. He is returning on 29.
Now, are you saying that Omar Abdullah is waiting for his father's permission?
Party has... No. Yes. No. It's not father's permission. It's party.
Party's
Omar Abdullah
permission.
is in party. Dr. Farooq Abdullah is the president of the party, and they have got a legislative
So as of
party.
now, there is no
This
view.
legislative party has to sit and take a decision in the chairmanship of the, preferably it's done in the chairmanship of the president, and in case president cannot make available himself, then the chief minister probably can chair the meeting and they can take a decision. You see, I can't say in one word that what decision tomorrow they are going to take or what they must be just now considering about it. But it is the legislative party which has the legislative party of the National Conference which has to take a decision. And after the decision is taken, it is not far away. It may be today, tomorrow, day after tomorrow, you will come to know what will be the stand of National Conference. And
We're waiting.
That will
We are waiting.
probably negate. That will probably negate
Sir,
all
give me
your
a minute.
questions.
Sir.
I mean, whatever you are saying.
I'm
I
sure
can't-
Mr. Omar Abdullah is somebody. I'm sure Mr. Omar Abdullah and your party as a party
anybody here in this show,
which supports the sanctity of the Indian Parliament will not do anything to support the man who attacked the Indian Parliament. I mean, that would be the expectation. You cannot have one stand in Delhi and one stand in Srinagar, depending on what's convenient.
I am very sorry. How do you say that this is supporting the person? It is not supporting the person. With due deference, I will tell you, this is not supporting the person. Ultimately, what can be done by the president? Accepting his mercy petition. President cannot set aside the judgment of the Supreme Court.
If he applies.
If
he applies.
And the death sentence can be commuted to the life sentence.
Well, we'll wait
This
to
is
hear what
at
Omar
the best
Abdullah's
can
point
be
of
the
view is
result
on.
of it.
And
In a society, please, in a world where you are living, where there are divergent, very strong opinions from both the sides for abolition of the death sentence, the people do not take it as a right thing. The people say that it is more cruel to sentence
This is not about
death.
right.
Its deterrence has never proved. See, these are
This is not about the death sentence, sir.
probably you are just
Exactly,
no.
yeah, this is not
It is.
we can have the
What
debate
is
some
it
other time.
all about? It is about death sentence.
No.
What about
Then why doesn't he take a
it is about
position?
death sentence.
He deserves
Then why doesn't he take a
It
position?
is executing a
India
person.
has-
He can say yes or no.
Anybody.
He says yes or no.
Anybody has his right to express his opinion about.
But that's
it.
what he's not done.
You cannot shut somebody's mouth.
No, you
cannot
can't, but
shut
that's
somebody's
exactly
mouth.
what we expect.
I mean, you can't tell somebody that, just in one name, that he's attacker of parliament.
Sure.
See, if the apex court has held him to be so, but I would request you, Parnam, kindly, for God's sake, after finishing of this show, you kindly, if you ever get time to read that bulky judgment, kindly go through the judgment.
Sure, absolutely, and Mr. Ghoni, Mr. Ghoni,
sweeping statement you are making.
Mr. Ghoni, Mr. Ghoni, your party has over many years with many different governments participated in the central government and always said that it stands and supports the integrity of the Indian state. 1 minute, sir. And Indian democracy and the symbol of Indian democracy is the Parliament of India. And you cannot have a situation where you support, where you stay in power in Delhi.
That is what I'm telling you.
Where you stay in power.
I'm telling you that when the leadership will sit and meet to decide as to what stand is to be taken on the present resolution presented by Mr. Rashid, that will come out.
When? Tomorrow?
It's not that we can
Tomorrow?
be decisive about it. We have to decide about it. No,
but-
I'm telling you that Dr. Abdullah is reaching back from America
Arnab, give me a
on
minute, please,
29th to Delhi.
That by that time the resolution would have been passed.
You please.
Yeah,
please,
inshallah.
please,
By
I
grace
don't
of
know
God,
whether
it will
it
be
would be passed or it won't be passed. I can't say just
Yes,
now.
it has to be
point.
passed.
Mr.
Mr.
Rashid
Ghoni, you
wants
have
that,
to come
I
to
should
true
tell
to
him
the
just
expectations
now
of the
what-
Kashmiri
Well,
people.
this has to
You
go
have made a
beyond the
commitment.
political dare.
Don't let
Ladies and
me
gentlemen,
down.
I'm running short of time tonight.
Take their sentiments.
No, I'm running short of time tonight, but this is more than a, this is
Mr.
more,
Arnab, give me a minute.
Mr.
Give me a
Rashid,
minute, please. Give me
Mr.
a minute.
Rashid, this is more than a
Give me a
political
minute, sir.
dare. It's about the integrity of the
Sir,
Indian
give me a
state.
minute. Sir, give me a minute.
It's-
For God,
it's for the symbol-
What is
label every
what is the
Kashmiri who
political
makes a
issue?
genuine demand
What is the
that
political
he is
issue? I would
anti-national
like to
and this
know.
and that. try
What
to
is the
accommodate
political
an
issue? Any
I would like to
politics
make a
has to
request,
move
Mr.
within
for
the
God's
ambit of the
sake.
constitution.
Take a
Mr.
stand, be on the side of Kashmiris, and don't get Kashmiris humiliated more.
Well, Jammu and Kashmir is also a very integral part of India, and the greatest symbol of Indian democracy is the Parliament of India. And the person who attacked the Parliament of India cannot be the beneficiary. Cannot be the beneficiary.
Condemning the attack on the Parliament by court of our heart.
Arnab, just
I
a
think-
minute.
Condemn the attack. It doesn't mean that we are
Arnab,
supporting the attack
the
on the
Tamil
Parliament.
Nadu resolution
Try to
that was
understand. You are trying to put words in
passed
our mouth.
against the killers of Rajiv Gandhi, Sanatan and Murugan.
But who has done it, that is relevant.
It is-
We are not supporting the attack on the
You
Parliament. But the constitution which has provided the
You
death
should
punishment
allow
for
the
a
legal
convict,
process
the
to
same
carry on.
constitution is-
You should allow
Yeah.
the legal process to
Yeah,
carry
yeah.
on. That's
Yeah.
what one has always argued. Let the legal process. I'm running short of time, but I think I will have to give more time to debate this in great
But
detail.
Assembly has every right to pass the
Sure.
resolution. That is the thing.
I think
Like
no-
an extra constitutional
Legal
thing.
process-
It is up. It is a prerogative of the
Legal
president whether it
process,
passes
no
the-
one
whether
is
it
trying
accepts
to
the vote of the
interfere
assembly or
with
not.
the
It-
law.
Gentlemen, for
anyone
want of
can.
time tonight. For want of time and only for want of time with a promise to come back tomorrow. Because you cannot tweet and then evade taking a position on it. You take a position on it. Is your position
Please,
consistent
please,
with the views
Banda,
you've expressed
please.
in the
No,
past?
no,
We'll wait for Mr.
please.
Omar Abdullah's
Take the
position.
position.
We'll
And
wait for
support the
Dr. Farooq
resolution.
Abdullah's return. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much. Thank you very, very much. We're not going to try and push for a consensus on that. Just that Omar Abdullah should come out and tell us what his position is on this and why, and whether it is consistent with his being part of the central government. On the other side, we have much more news coming up, only for now until tomorrow evening. Good night and goodbye.